This is 1,800 calories of whole foods. We have whey, rice, chicken breast, sitaw, apple slices, egg and bread, and beef sirloin tip. And this is 1,800 calories of fast food. We have 1 large Coke, large fries, double quarter pounder, and 6-piece chicken nuggets. Same calories, but if you're doing OMAD or 1 meal a day, hindi sila parehas practical. Itong whole food, sobrang dami mong kailangan kainin kung isang meal mo lang kakainin lahat. Kung pipilitin mo, pwede ka maging bloated, maging constipated, or baka magka-acid reflux ka pa. Mas sustainable kung hahatiin mo to into 3 to 4 meals throughout the day. Yung fast food, yes, mas madali siyang kainin in one go kasi mas konti siya compared sa whole foods, pero loaded naman siya with calories. And the issue is, sobrang taas ng fat and carbs, and yung carbs, mostly simple carbs pa. Which means energy crash and cravings a few hours after mong kumain. 1 meal a day is not the best when we're eating whole foods, especially for fat loss. Hindi naman kailangan na extreme diets like 1 meal a day. Just focus on eating whole foods so it's easier for you to stick to your diet.